fusion markets.
Run you through, and one of them is our Pine editor. So I have taken the time to write out some script here and run people through the Pine editor. So Pine is essentially a programming language that TradingView has created on their own side. It's not dissimilar to Python, as I mentioned before. So if you do have some experience trading and you have you have coded with Python, it might be something that you can use. So I'll just load this up now, just to give you an idea of how this will look, how you can implement it, and the type of strategy testing that you can do. Okay, I'm just going to load up Bitcoin here. I think it might be a little bit better if we load up some Bitcoin. Wonderful. Okay. I might go to a 6 month time frame. And a daily candle, one of my favorites. Perfect. Just going to zoom in a little bit more. Okay, perfect. So I've actually loaded up something before. So I'm just going to, my apologies. I'm just going to open up my EMA crossover strategy here, something that I've coded up. Now, just another point here, if you don't know how to code or you're not experienced coder, you can come in here and you can go into something like ChatGPT. I think they only recently upgraded ChatGPT to GPT 4.0, and it would allow you to prompt, and it will prompt you based on different things that you want. So you can see that we've coded up something here. What I've done is loaded it up. You can also put the raw code up here, and just in this bottom corner, what you can do is close this console and you can add it to your chart. So I'm just going to add it to chart. So we'll just let that one load on, and you can see here that now it's actually loaded this system onto the chart, and it's going to be taking different buy and sell trades based on what I popped in here. So this one is focused on an exponential moving average, and it's going to be taking different trades based off that average. That exponential moving average. So you can hear these are my sell and buy trades. I'm getting in and out of trades. Now the fantastic thing here is I can load it onto anything that I want. So in this instance, let's just remove this one here. In this instance, you can see that we've taken 72 trades. Our net profit is 14,000, so we're up 1.42%. Our percentage profitable is 20.83. We've got a profit factor of 1.23, which is good, and a max drawdown of 2.52. So some pretty strong results there. So that's not a bad code. And if I wanted to limit this and perhaps maybe take it a step forward, I could come into this Pine editor and say, okay, you know what? Instead of it being 1 and 1, what I want to do is make my buy threshold 1.05 and my sell threshold 0.95. What this is doing is just going a little bit deeper into that moving average and waiting for some pushes past those prices before I'm entering in those trades. So hopefully if I republish this, I'll probably see a lesser number in terms of how many trades were executed, but potentially some more profitability. So you can see that I've got that here, and I'll just update that on the chart. So that should rerun that. And if I come back into my strategy tester, yeah, you can see that it's drastically changed the numbers here. So we've got 26 trades as opposed to, I believe it was 72. Got a slightly higher profit factor there. Similar profit factor, max drawdown. So I've cut down my drawdown by almost 0.8%, and an average trade here of positive trade of 489 USD. So really great there. So there's a lot that you can do with these Pine editors, these strategy testers. A fantastic feature. I really urge you to get amongst it, understand how they work. They're fantastic features that we offer here.